Algaecide kills and prevents algae. So we are going to try to recover this green ass pool. There's a frog, y'all. This is just bad news. On for a bit. I'm not gonna put the chlorine tablets in and put that. You can use the blue stuff. I'll leave the pump running for a bit, some hours. Update, this is what it's been looking like since I put in the blue algae killer. Now I'm actively brushing. See a difference here on this side. Hopefully the algae is literally just sitting here again. Who's talking to you today? This is what the pool is looking like now. All the way around the pool. So now the algae is floating. It looks like I haven't done anything, but what I've done, drenched in sweat. It's serious out here. Ooh, baby. Just turned on the pump. I used the mat and let the pump try to take out some of the algae, and back later with pool vacuum. I am absolutely done for. I'm exhausted. I'm hot. This is what a pool girl looks like, I guess. So it's just been an hour. Like, do you remember where this started? I'm gonna put more of this in here. This is the color of the pool. I've now vacuumed, swept, and gathered. Also, more water into the pool. And I put this in here 2 days ago. You're supposed to put it in every like 5 days because there was so much of it. Add some more right now. Here I am back sweating again. Here's the sun. Like, obviously it's a very hot day today for 8 hours before you get in. So yeah, you can use it like this. I'm gonna leave this on. I'm gonna turn the I'm gonna go inside. I'm done now. I can't even see what you can see. The chemicals in the guys. Do you see what the F I did? I'm not sweating anymore. I just woke up from a nap. Time to jump in. See you later. God's light. Oh my God. Okay, so current update of the pool right now. There's this, I already got my swimsuit on. It's going down. Set your vibe in here.
Go into the panel downstairs and I'll turn that off for 2 to 5. There's a circuit board in there. Try that when I get in the basement.
Ready for John. Current condition of the pool. You vacuum. Okay, maybe you can see it better like this. But slowly. Oh, that's what I just did. It's cold. Heavy, they said it's heavy. Cold as fuck. Pool maintenance 101 was on. I'm gonna leave these back in, obviously, because I put that stuff shower. Look at the sun.